Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix iPhone camera auto enhance. So if you want to fix the camera auto enhance, so here is a quick guide on how to fix the auto enhance. So whenever you take a picture, you can have the normal natural look of your video or your camera or your pictures without adding filters to your picture. So if you want to do that, you can just simply go to your settings, then scroll the way down and look for camera settings. There's camera up here. Then from there, tap on the format. You can see right here the camera settings. So the camera format is on high efficiency, which comes with different dynamic features. So for it to be able to gain the natural look of your capture, you have to put it back to most compatible. In fact, I recommend you putting this back to the most compatible. So once you put it into most compatible, it will have a way of reduce the file size and capture the pictures and videos in the normal mode, which is the normal format it must be. But if you want something with high efficiency, with high auto enhance, you can simply turn it back to high efficiency. So just tap on most compatible. Then from there, go back and tap on video record video. You can also change this back from this 1080p HD to 720 HD if you want. But if yours is on this, just make sure turn it off, because this is high efficiency. So in order to avoid the high efficiency option, just tap on this, which this can actually pick it at the normal peak for the capturing. Then go back again, then make sure this auto HD is turned off. Just also once you turn this off, then turn this on, which is keep normal photos, and that's it. If you find this video helpful, like and follow for more. Thank you.